is super important for young girls to give them the opportunity and the possibility that trades is a pathway that they can take.
We need skilled trade workers. The building of hospitals, bridges, highways, new homes. There are 300,000 jobs sitting empty right now. What a great opportunity for women to get into the skilled trades.
It's really important to let women know if you love being creative, if you love change, if you love working with your hands, get into the trades.
I think a lot of women don't go into the trades because they don't have a lot of knowledge about it, and they think it's going to be very hard work that they can't do because they're women. And it's absolutely not true.
A lot of the barriers that are felt are almost self-imposed. I thought I had to be a big, 6-foot man to be able to do this work. That's not the case. It's definitely not the case nowadays with all the technology. It's, can you literally use your brain? And that's why you're gonna end up being successful in this.
There's so many different trades for young women to choose from. Different trades offer different types of rewards, so it just depends on the learner and what they're seeking.
We're not alone here. There's many female faculty members. We also have a women's mentoring support group, and we talk and we support one another.
So what I'm hoping for the future is that more girls will break out of the mold to see what trades are available.
Having women in trades kind of going against what has been popular for so long, it gives a completely different perspective to how things are done.
I think it's starting to open up different areas that we can build on and we can kind of take over for ourselves. And I think that women have a uniqueness that they can offer this field.
85% of trades workers in this province are trained at colleges. So what a better place than right here at Centennial.